Instead of taking place on a racetrack, this race is taking place in labs across America. Two pharmaceutical companies, Pfizer and Moderna, are in the last stages of seeking approval for their COVID-19 vaccinations, a huge milestone after months of trials.
Overall, it just boils down to peace of mind.
Jack Morningstar was a participant in Moderna's vaccine trials.
I don't feel as nervous hanging out with people, just because my risk of contracting the virus to them is lower. My risk of catching it from them is also low.
Moderna reported on Monday that its vaccine was 94.5% effective at protecting people from the deadly virus. 2 days later, Pfizer reported that its vaccine was 95% effective. If the FDA greenlights either company's vaccine, it will have been the fastest vaccine development program ever in the West.
A lot of people are concerned about safety and effectiveness.
Ed Silverman of Stat News explains how this speedy approval might lead to distrust among the public.
Maybe they have a bad reaction. Maybe it doesn't work for them. Maybe there's a genetic reason.
While the general public is concerned about a vaccine coming out, Wall Street isn't loving it. The Dow is almost at its 30,000 point tally for the first time ever, just months after it almost dipped below 20,000 points earlier during the pandemic. While Moderna has seen gains of close to 400% this year, Silverman thinks Pfizer may be a better value.
Stepping back from the vaccines, there's a lot more to Pfizer. And someone might argue that maybe it's what's called a value play. There's a lot more value in there that is being appreciated and recognized in the stock price.
While it's impossible to tell how the market will react, one thing seems sure. A vaccine is crossing the finish line soon. For WEBJ News, I'm Jacob Solkoff.